Texas high school achieves an out-of-this-world feat. A rover they designed and built for a yearly NASA competition has officially landed at the Perot Museum. Their award-winning creation now on display to inspire future engineers.
We're hoping to do really well today.
The Parish Episcopal School of Dallas did better than well at this 2017 competition. Their rover finished 5th in the world.
Parish Episcopal on their way up.
Their creation posting a better race time than some university teams. And today, another honor. The Parish Rover has officially landed at the Perot Museum.
I don't know many other high schools that have had this opportunity.
Every year, NASA challenges high school teams to design a vehicle capable of standing up to various elements on the surface of other worlds.
The challenge NASA puts before the students is basically what they gave to the Boeing engineers in the 1960s. They needed a vehicle to traverse the lunar surface so astronauts could explore more of the moon.
The challenge also requires a female and male driver to encourage more girls to get involved in what can be a male-dominated field. That's not a challenge for this team, which was founded by mostly young women.
You shouldn't let anybody else's perceived stereotypes stop you.
The lightweight pedal-powered vehicle also has to survive a half-mile course that includes simulated asteroid debris and boulders.
It's not uncommon to be out at the race and see rovers shedding parts.
In fact, the first year the team competed, they had to carry their rover to the finish line.
Stuff breaks in testing all the time, and stuff breaks in competition. And it taught me that you always have to be ready to improvise.
Learning from failure as much as success. Their teamwork and perseverance, a great fit for the Texas Instruments Engineering and Innovation Hall.
It's a great way for us to show our guests what they can do and how they can actually aspire to be great engineers.
And the Parish team has been the only Texas high school team to compete for the last 5 years. They also won Best Design 2 years in a row. And you do have plenty of time to catch the exhibit. The Parish Rover will be on display for a year at the Perot.